Entonces, ¿hoy qué?
Pues hoy otro día más de entrenamiento con Coque y nada, hoy la verdad es que estoy bastante cansado.
Estás un poquito blanco.
El miércoles siempre suelo llegar con bastante cansancio acumulado porque son muchas horas de entreno y la verdad es que no estaba acostumbrado a este tipo de entrenamiento, pero nada, con ganas de seguir mejorando, la verdad.
Drama Battalion.
Sometimes, yeah, sometimes it gets hard trying to reach my goal. Sometimes, yeah, sometimes I pretend like I'm real close. Sometimes, yeah, sometimes I have to put my life on hold. Sometimes, yeah, sometimes I can't dream because I'm still I'm still I'm still yeah. I'm still
My life is music. When I hit that mic, I gain control. Speaking purely through my soul when my mind's in overload. For so long, I was cold. I mean, my heart was froze. Trembling emotions. How the fuck was I supposed to grow? But how the fuck were they supposed to know that my ambitions had me dissing those creating distance from me and my goals? I was so bitter, feeling like I was the run of the litter. But now I deliver like Domino's dinner. Go call me whatever, but can't call me quitter. I'm stuck in my work. They don't wanna be eating, but then they desert. Wasn't here in the kitchen, I ain't in the dishes. Why they here for dessert? They tryna wipe the game, but all they ever do is flirt. I give my heart, I give my soul, I swear I really put in work. Now they look up to me, we from the same height, on the same earth. Walk the same ground through the same dirt. Live the same love and the same hurt, cause I'm still woke. But my dreams keep teasing me. They ask when I'm gon' blow up, but that ain't up to me.